Morning everyone, David Paul speaking. It's just about 9 o'clock on Tuesday the 18th of February. I'm looking at the pound against the dollar, the so-called cable. We had a nice run up in this last week and it's now pulled back and it's pulled back in three waves, which is always quite positive. And although I haven't got the FEB quite in the right place in this, it's pulled back in what technicians would refer to as a bullish Gartley pattern. I thought maybe it was going to stop at that last old high, but it's actually in fact pulled back to the 78% retracement. So in the next slide, I think I show the Gartley, just blowing it up a little bit. There's the Gartley pattern. I put the FEB in the right place this time, and it's pulled back in three waves, and as you can see, the low a few minutes ago was exactly at that 78% retracement. That's a high probability pattern, folks, and with a little bit of confirmation here, then I think that we're going to see another leg up here. It's a little bit early yet. Some traders would just simply buy the level. I didn't. I missed the level. But if we would see a reversal bar here in the next couple of bars, then we should see a move up. So I'm looking at that. I haven't done anything yet, and I'll in fact when I do start to trade it, I'll do my best to put a video online here. But I think this is a very interesting level. The pattern made famous by Harold McKinley Gartley in a book that he wrote about 100 years ago. It's called the Gartley 222. It was on page 222 of Gartley's book. So and the next one I'm looking at, also a forex pair, the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar had a sell-off of note last week, and I think this was caused by succession problems in Germany. That's my best guess at it. I think trying to replace Angela Merkel. The only thing more difficult will be replacing Sir Alex Ferguson at Manchester United. This market did its best to stop at 127 of the last range, and as you can see, there was a doji there, and I was actually getting all lined up to buy it there, but it didn't happen. It's now finding very strong support over the last three lows, in fact, at the 1.618 extension of that move. I haven't got any confirmation that's going to turn. If it wasn't for this really strong leg down, I would consider in fact just buying the level. Now what we've got here is what technicians would refer to, I think, as a butterfly pattern, where we've got a leg up and then a B equals CD down, which is near on perfect. This level is also a very long-term FEB level from a weekly and a monthly chart as well, so an awful lot of support at 108. Nevertheless, this leg down very strong last week, and not a great, we would need certainly a close above one of these closes to confirm a daily low is in place. If this level goes, the euro will go into free fall. Okay, so just if you do buy it around here, just be very careful of your stop loss, folks, because if this 1.618 of that level in fact breaks, there's an awful lot of air here. So I hope that'll help you. I think that both of them can do exceptionally well in terms of a 3 to 4 to 5 day bounce, which would give us a good start to the week. I hope these helped. Bye bye.